How to sell art and make money. Making money as an artist isn't always easy, particularly when you're first starting out. But selling art and earning an income from doing what you love really is possible. Here's how. 13 best ways to make money as an artist. These are the easiest and most effective ways to sell art and earn money. Apply to sell via art sites. If you haven't yet applied to join an art site as a seller, we definitely recommend it. It's up there as one of the very best ways to sell art online and make money. To become a seller on some art selling websites like Artsy and Artnet, you're required to have an established demand in the art market, but this isn't the case for all online marketplaces. Here, we'll go through a couple of the top online art sites for independent and emerging artists, Artfinder and Saatchi Art. Network with art buyers. When you first start out as an artist, it can feel daunting to know where to begin meeting potential buyers for your art. Luckily, though, there are so many opportunities to meet art dealers and buyers. The important thing is to be confident. Galleries usually host a fair amount of exhibition openings throughout the year. As an opportunity to get the first pick of new and exciting art, you can pretty much guarantee that they will attract keen buyers and collectors. A lot of exhibition openings will be open to the public, but you'll usually need to RSVP to get added to the guest list. Check the gallery's social media and website for info about who to contact ahead of the event. When you're there, talk to as many people as you can. It's also wise to arrive armed with images of your art to show, and maybe some business cards to hand out, too. You're unlikely to make a sale there and then, but building up a network of potential buyers and other art enthusiasts is essential. Approach commercial galleries. When attending exhibition events, talk to as many people as you can, including the directors and curators of the gallery. While they might not necessarily decide to start representing your artwork after the first meeting, taking the time to build up a relationship with them could really help. Show an interest in the works that they're showing, ask lots of questions and become a familiar face at their exhibition openings. Even if they don't think you're ready for gallery representation right now, this in itself is a great chance to find out what you could do to develop your work. Create a strong portfolio website. Whether you're first starting out or you've already made a name for yourself, creating an artist portfolio website that showcases your work is a very good way to boost your art sales online. Not sure where to start? It's super easy to create a website using sites like Bluehost. You can get a 60% discount and free domain name with our link. Our guide to creating a website explains the key things to know. When developing your website, be sure to include lots of high-quality photos of your artworks and make the site visually appealing. It needs to reflect your artistic skills. Enter art awards and competitions. Although this one's not technically a tip about selling art, entering art awards and competitions can be a brilliant and lucrative way to make money as an artist. There are art competitions happening throughout the year, many of which come with cash prizes of hundreds, or even thousands, of pounds. While it's not necessarily easy to win money in competitions, it really can be done. Remember that someone's got to win. Sell images of your art to stock websites. It's not just your photographs that you can sell to stock image websites. If you make any form of visual art, whether illustrations, fine art paintings or videography, you have the chance to sell your artwork online as stock images and videos. Have a look through the images on sites like Shutterstock and Alamy, and you'll be able to find loads of pictures of artworks that artists are selling through the site. This can vary from detailed portraits to abstract designs, to painted blocks of color that stock image buyers can use as backgrounds in digitally edited pictures. Apply to sell at art fairs. Art fairs are very big events in this industry. The top fairs will attract some of the most influential people in the art world, including art dealers, gallerists, curators and artists, but there will also be plenty of casual art fans who attend them as days out. Unless you're already represented by an art gallery, you're not usually able to exhibit your work at Frieze and London Art Fair, arguably two of the most well-known art fairs in the UK, but there are some that accept applications from individual artists or artist collectives. Promote and sell your artwork on social media. When you're first establishing your art career, it's pretty much essential to have an online presence to widen your audience and be easily contactable by potential art buyers. TikTok and Instagram are focused on visual media, making them excellent ways for artists to sell art online. They allow you to show your work to thousands of people around the world who would have otherwise had very slim chances of discovering your work. Get more art commissions. If you don't already, a brilliant way to boost your sales is by taking paid art commissions from friends, family and members of the public. The first step to getting art commissions is to let people know that you're open to creating made-to-order artworks. For example, if you have a social media page dedicated to your art, adding something like "DM me for commissions" is a simple but effective way to encourage people to get in touch. Create an art book. If you've got a strong, and pretty sizable, body of work, an art book could be the perfect way to sell your art without actually parting ways with all of the original pieces. This could be a book entirely made up of images of your art, but if you feel confident to add your own writing alongside the images, this could really help to widen its appeal.